This is the product that you need to shop on Amazon Prime Day, and here's the reasons why. First, you can either use wire or battery to make it work. Next, it's got two-way audio, so when you're out enjoying yourself with your family, you know that your parcels are being left safe with its 2K HD and night vision. 3, it has 8GB of storage and it stores straight to your phone. And 4, my very last and favourite thing as to why you need to shop this on Amazon Prime Day is that it's subscription free. So that means that you don't need to pay a subscription fee at all every month like other brands. Shop the Eufy 340 doorbell today on Amazon Prime Deals for some huge savings.